Today we're gonna show you how to make salted chicken, salted steamed chicken. Okay, here we got the salt baked powder seasoning. This is guys. So it's a very easy dinner recipe, chicken dinner recipe.
洗乾淨啊，傾乾水，攞個鈎吊起佢傾乾水。
Okay, guys, the chicken, all you have to do is just clean the chicken, wash it, and then afterward just dry it up, and then we'll season it. So first we're gonna sprinkle some white pepper onto it in the inside of the chicken.
咁咧入邊咧大約係放1 or 2 teaspoon 油喺處。
Okay, just drizzle the inside with some oil as well.
Yeah, and
the outside. Because you'll be massaging the chicken, so all the flavor will get inside the chicken. So be prepared to get your hands dirty.
要手洗乾淨先。
Make sure your hands are clean before you massage the chicken. Everything must be clean when we make the food to eat for dinner. Very quick and easy dinner recipe, guys. Anyone can make. And then just put in that salted baked seasoning.
2 teaspoon.
You're just gonna add 2 teaspoons and then just rub it all inside. Basically, it's almost like roasting a chicken when you just put your own spices inside the chicken for the roast, but this is the steamed version. Okay. We'll also add 1 teaspoon. Yeah, you have to salt the outside, the inner and the outside of the chicken. Massage all that spice all around the chicken. So it's almost like a roast chicken, but steamed version, guys. So it's very basic and easy. This is one of the Cantonese dishes that you'll find anywhere in the Chinese restaurants.
咁就得㗎啦。咁到蒸啊緊咧，可以整幾耐啊？整嚿薑，醃2、3個鐘就得㗎啦。
Okay, just marinate this for 2 to 3 hours, and then but we're waiting it until tonight, so we're gonna steam it.
蒸20分鐘到半個鐘頭
When you steam it, you're gonna steam it for 20 minutes. So yeah.
大隻啲半個鐘啦，2分鐘就得㗎啦。
This is not that big of a chicken, so 20 minutes should be fine. If it's a bigger chicken,
咁蒸嗰時咧，你可以切幾片薑喺蓋啦，我洗手先，切幾片薑。
When you steam, you can maybe cut some ginger and you can stuff it inside the chicken.
薑葱、殺茶薑同埋葱喺蓋咧，咁
You can stuff some ginger and scallions inside.
切幾片薑喺處。
而家整落去。
撒個落去啦。
Okay, or you can just put it in now. Let it get the ginger flavor inside the chicken.
Yeah, 劈佢啲雞芡味啦。今晚蒸啊緊啊。
有個嘛？
掟晒塞咗佢入去，等佢劈啲雞芡味。咁樣。今晚啊，再摘茶葱喺樹先咁搞掂。咁啊梗係要放保鮮紙啦。
Okay, just gonna cover this with some cling wrap, and then you just put it into the fridge.
放保鮮紙喺個咁得啦，醃2、3個鐘就得㗎，等佢入咗味咁啊，就咁蒸又好，燉又好啦。Oh, sorry.
Alright, guys, I'm logging out until we steam just now. Okay, hi guys, it's dinner time. It's time to make the chicken.
嗱隻雞就倒落去蒸，掉茶葱落去啦。
Okay, we're just gonna put it into this pot to steam the chicken. Just 啲葱而家擠落去。
擠落個肚煲樹咯，咁啊。
Okay, we're also gonna put some scallions inside the chicken's stomach. 係咯，唔使切咗嘅。
唔使啊，就咁，唔係有沙就得㗎啦。 有薑有葱喺樹啦，咁佢咪食雞劈晒雞芡面咪香啲咯。
Scallion will make the chicken taste way better. Alright, very simple, easy dinner. Just gonna put it in. We're gonna steam this for 20 minutes and it should be ready.
Yeah, half an hour.
About half an hour.
Yeah.
30 minutes. Okay. Alright, after 30 minutes, we'll see how it looks like, guys. Guys, it's been 30 minutes. Look at this chicken. Oh, very delicious, easy to make. It's time to cut it up.
先咗半個鐘頭喎面。因為真係雪過佢啦，咁細隻都要半個鐘頭，大隻都要45分鐘先。跟住咧，倒晒佢啲汁出嚟，打個芡喺度。
Okay, just gonna spill some of its waters out of the chicken to make a nice sauce to pour over the chicken. 打個芡喺度啦，我整着咗佢先。Gonna put on the flame. So this water comes from the chicken, and we're gonna make a sauce for it. Get some cornstarch. 一個 teaspoon. About 1 teaspoon.
有時會睇清放咯，有時覺得都唔夠，落多啲，等佢滾咗先放落去。
When it boils, then we will put the cornstarch. Okay, let's cut the chicken, guys. Guys, if you like this easy recipe, please don't forget to give my mom's recipe a like. Comment if you don't understand anything, and whatever other dishes you want us to make and to show you guys how to make, we'll also learn about it and then we'll show you guys through the video. So please give my mom a like. Please comment what you don't like about our filming or anything like that. Cool, guys. So yeah, so now my mom's just taking out the ginger and the scallions, but that we don't want. Okay, let's cut the chicken. Smelling very good. Look at all that sauce. Cut this delicious chicken. Very hot, guys. Very hot. Be careful, guys.
係乾熱就太熱啦，要攞啲布冚住佢，佔住佢或者少少熱。
白斬雞係要整凍佢㗎嘛，係咪啊？
白斬雞要飛水。
飛水呢啲唔使飛。
啲人個你咩啊？你都可以攤凍佢嘅，攤凍佢先正正啲得嘅。
Hey guys, you know, like Cantonese white cut chicken, you have to like rinse it with cold water after you boil it, so you have a delicious thick skin. But for the salted chicken, you don't need to rinse it with water, so you cut it when it's hot.
幾熱㗎，你哋。
When she's cutting it, I can smell that salty flavor, guys. Very nice.
你慢火。
Look at that. The 30 minutes chicken inside's already cooked, well done. Wow, while she's cutting it, I can smell that delicious salty flavor. Guys, just go to your local Chinese supermarket and buy that salty spice, and then just spice up the chicken. Very easy to make. I'm gonna enjoy this dinner tonight, guys. Looking very good, tasty. Yummy. Yummy, guys, very yummy. Nice. Look at that, guys. Look at that beautiful chicken.
decoration
The chicken water is boiling now. Now we can make the sauce. So this water came from the chicken after you steamed it, because most of that salty flavor came out of it. So yeah, just put some cornstarch to thicken up to make a thick sauce to pour over the chicken, guys. Mom tasted. The taste is already good enough. You don't need to add anything. So after you steam the chicken, that water from the pan, just use that water and then just make a thick sauce to pour over the chicken. Wow, nice. Okay, we're first gonna sprinkle some scallions over the chicken first, and then we'll pour in the Okay, we're gonna sprinkle the scallions in the sauce, and then we'll pour it over the chicken. Wow, nice. All over the chicken. Oh yeah. Easy dinner, guys. Easy dinner. Very delicious and tasty. Yum yum. Look at that. Okay. So put some decoration to make it look pretty and presentable. Then we're also gonna sprinkle some sesame seeds on top of it. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, yummy, guys. Okay. Wow, guys, look at that. Restaurant style, guys. Restaurant style. Nice. Very easy to make. It's time for dinner, guys. It's time to chow this up.